I just
How
turn
are you
on
doing, Sam?
YouTube.
I'm good, good. How are you?
I'm good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
Welcome,
too.
welcome. I was literally talking about him yesterday with Dalton. He's already showing up, man.
Like Houdini, you know.
Just I just like to predict things and it happens. What do you want me to do, bro? Well, what are you up to today, my man?
Cards.
Oh, well, that tell me something. Tell me something I don't know. Like we're all on charts every day. Um, So I just want to
So,
give you a little bit of background. I think Indu is on YouTube stream. Um, but otherwise, briefly, Stana is part of the XRP army, like me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, bro, you're the XRP army, bro. If you've been buying for the last 2 years, you're XRP army as fuck, bro.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Like we literally I literally done the trade of the year with my XRP trade, but that's
Mm.
it's water under the bridge, they say, Whittleton. When it's done, bro.
yeah.
I'm not gonna talk about that move again, but is it gonna go above is it gonna go above all-time high? To be honest, I don't know. I have alerts here at 57 like 5774. Otherwise, that's what I think XRP is gonna do. Um, so Stana has been buying for quite some time now. Buy low, sell high. But
Mm.
I brought him on board. He bought himself on board rather, and he wants to do things the right way. I think he gets the idea, but it's more of a we teach him the triggers and whatnot. Maybe we teach him the Ichimoku straight away. I think I think some people are just born with a talent, and Stana is one of the people that I know that can just catch things quickly. Because
I hope so, man. I hope so.
relax, bro. You went to Malik Fahad, bro, and you played Dota too, yeah. Like you got some talent. I didn't go to no private school like this guy Whittleton. Like he went to a private school, bro. He's a big boy.
And
Uh,
that doesn't matter, man.
You know,
Like, actually, no difference.
we're here now. We're gonna teach you how to trade. Um, so if you're looking at this right now, let me just turn off my indicators. Right. What do you see?
Is it like a downward trend?
Yes.
Is that what those two lines mean?
Yeah, that's a downward trend. And what's happening here with this price here?
Uh, is that is that breaking through the resistance?
Yeah. So look, he knows Whittleton. Like, you know what I
But
mean?
correct me if I'm like wrong.
We'll drill you. Don't worry.
Yeah.
We'll drill you if you're wrong. But I just wanted to know, like, if you know the basics and things like that, because I know that you can catch on reading very quick. That's why I gave you chapter 1 to chapter 4 real quick. Just a little bit of you know, um, I saw your profile already. I think if I told what is this green box? Do you know what this is on TradingView?
Uh, no, okay,
Try your
I don't
best
know
to
what
try
that
it.
is.
No, that's fine. This is a long position. Okay, when you long something, you buy. You've been buying spot, bro. So all your positions look like this. Like as a matter of fact, your positions would look like this because I'm buying Doge for a very long time right now. At the moment, it's only moved a little bit, but I'm aiming for shit like this. Whittleton is good at swing positions, so work with him. Work with me. Most of our positions are like most of our positions are swings anyway, because we got other shit to do in life. But my main priority is always building this Discord and teaching. That's my main priority. But
But what do you mean by swing though? Like what's like?
swing is what you're doing. What you're doing right now is swinging. Buying low, selling
Like
high. That's a swing.
it means that you're ready to take a trade and you're ready to hold it for a good amount
oh
of time. So it makes the trade instead of a daily one to a swing, which is I don't know. Some people say 4 hours and above. I use it. I use the term swing as a daily and above. So that
Yes.
that way I have trades that I'm running even 2 weeks, even 3 weeks,
How
depends on the
long?
situation.
His Whittleton is
oh
100% right. How long have I been holding my alpha trade for? God damn it.
A lot. A
How
lot.
long? 2 weeks. I've been holding Doge as
2 weeks
well.
almost. Yeah.
I bought
Almost two
Doge.
weeks.
Yeah, I bought Doge at 60 cents, but then I kept on adding, which makes my position higher and higher, but bigger and bigger. So we'll teach you how to compound your wins.
Is there a
Comp
way to check when I opened the trade on the Bybit?
yeah, you just check your order history.
Oh, the history. All right.
And you know we have Axie as well, Axie Infinity. So ideally what you've been doing, Stunner, is this. You're buying at these
Yeah.
I want you to be buying at these supports.
Yeah.
And just going long. But I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna unlock a new skill that you may or may not know. It's called leverage trading.
Nah, yeah, I need to know how to do that.
It's considered taboo for a lot of people that buy spot because, to be honest, when people say, "Oh, it's risky," man, they don't know shit. First and foremost, leverage is the heart. Leverage is the heart of this casino. To be honest with you, and without leverage, your prices won't go up. Okay, there needs to be liquidations of both bears and bulls. The blood of both needs to spill for price action to move because there's no new participant. That's the reality. How do you think XRP just moved like that, just based on fundamental? Fundamental only moves like 5-10%, 20% max. XRP like ran like 150%, I think. Oh, not 100%. But you know the accumulation actually started from here, so it's 150. But more to that on that later. The main thing, I haven't made your curriculum yet, but I know basically what I want to do is teach you how to enter swing trades, so you can still carry on with your daily life, still carry on with doing what you do, but you'd be more of a polished version. You'd have to check you'd have to check in on your trades daily, just to see where it is, just to see if there's any reversal patterns, things like that. To be honest with you, we have a really strong team. We got Whittleton. He's literally like me. There's no difference. He's gonna say no, we're a different level. No. Whittleton is the same level as me. Okay.
I'm gonna shut up.
Yeah, exactly. Stay quiet. He's very good. He's good. I made a replica of myself in Whittleton. He works hard. He trades. He knows the Ichimoku. He knows the super trend. He knows support and resistance. What Whittleton does best that you need to follow him is he buys based on triggers. Even if something is at support until it breaks structure. So I'll show you what a break of structure is. This is a huge downtrend, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
But you want to be able to catch this move, right? The reversal.
Yeah.
This is the reversal. So where do you buy? See, what Whittleton does best is that he waits. He doesn't just catch the falling knife. He waits he waits and picks up the knife when it is starting to be safe. Like this, he would see this. After that, he'll wait for the retest and then he'll buy. Traders don't buy breakouts. You can, but the reality is traders only play on high probability trades, because what we do is called leverage trading. It's highly risky but highly lucrative in the right hands. That's the reality of it. That's the gist of what we do. Just, you know, a little bit of a summary. But there's more to it than that. I think you're the same level as Al, but he's probably around 3, 4, 5 weeks ahead of you in regards to charting. Otherwise, to be honest, we know how it is in crypto. You buy low, sell high, isn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, I think I can get started on Bitcoin. Just have a little bit of chat about Bitcoin, on where it's going right now. What we do every day is take a look at the market movers. What a market movers is simple. It's BTC, it's USDT dominance, okay? There's Bitcoin dominance, and there's total 1, total 2 and all that. But sometimes, you know, charts like literally speak for itself. You know exactly what it's gonna do. It's just a matter of if you want to play it or not. It's very simple. Like, it's been doing the same thing over and over again. What this time is different. down, up, down. It's it's an uptrend.
Oh, okay.
Be cool. Okay. So, what do you trade on, bro? What do you trade on? What do you trade on? Like, what are you trading?
I'm using CoinSpot.
Okay, first of all, go get yourself your KYC there, yeah? They got your license and shit, right?
Well, what's KYC?
Did you verify your identity using your license?
Oh, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, otherwise you won't be able to transfer money.
Yeah.
First of all, if you do want to trade, get Bybit because you want because in Australia, technically speaking, they don't have a platform for derivatives, which is futures. Because you'll be able to only buy, you won't be able to get moves like this. We make money on upwards movement and downwards movement.
Okay. Wait. So Bybit, right?
Yeah, Whittleton is on Bybit, right? Whittleton.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what happens to my other like crypto in CoinSpot then?
Leave it. It's a spot, right?
Oh, okay.
You wanna grow it using that account? What do you have there?
Mainly like Ripple.
XRP. Keep your XRP back.
Yeah.
Keep it. It's fine. What's the average entry price? How underwater are you there? The word underwater is how down are you? Or are you up?
What do you mean?
Are you up or are you down with your current bags? Whoa.
Oh,
BTC.
I'm up.
You're up?
What do you mean? Like
How much
for
money do
Ripple?
you have? Yeah. Are you in profit or you're at a loss?
Oh, I'm profit.
Shit, look at this guy. This is the only guy that has profit.
Yeah, but that's the thing. I don't want to.
Already the 1%.
You're already
I
in the top
don't.
1%.
But I don't want to sell it. That's the
Then
thing.
don't sell
That's
it.
yeah.
I'm not telling you to sell it. Don't sell your
Yeah.
Ripple. We know, Whittleton knows, and I know that XRP is eventually going to, going to places. I hope. Fundamentally speaking, I think Ripple is backed by very, very, very strong people, and
Yeah.
like big,
I
strong.
think so.
Look at this guy. Look at this Bitcoin, bro. What is it trying to do? I know what it's trying to do. It's trying to be pushed underneath this cloud, but there's a lot of buy pressure right now.
What's the red areas over there?
These things.
Yeah.
Oh, these are okay. First of all, I'm gonna show you an example. Okay. You don't mind, right, Whittleton? Because BTC is not really doing anything. The rule is simple.
I don't mind at all.
Yeah.
No. It's all fun.
BTC simple. BTC above 29,400 is a long, and we will stay along as long as the super trend is above. There we go. If we start accepting underneath here, 29. If we start accepting below Monday low, Monday high, you know where it's gonna go. It's gonna go to 28,700. Okay. We okay.
You know how to look at those levels, Stana.
Oh, like which levels?
Okay.
Do you understand the terms of Monday high, Monday low?
I think so. Like whatever like, it closed off on Monday, like the highest price.
Yeah, that's it.
Nice.
That's it.
Just making sure. I want just ask questions. Don't be shy. Just ask
Yeah,
anything
yeah.
you want,
Please. Yeah.
anytime you want.
Whittleton is like the local tour guide here. He knows what everything. Like you ask him anything. He'll know. It's like a tour guide. Where's the place to go to buy some beer? Yeah, it's that way. But man, we're about look. I think with Stana, with because I read his profile, I made him write like the questions that we ask newcomers, Whittleton. The way he plays is going to be very similar to you and me. We don't have time to sit down and scalp and sit down in front of the chart for 5 minutes, like 1 minute chart. I mean, as much as I can
Yeah.
trade the 1 minute chart, it's like we don't have time for that.
Not yet. No.
We got a life at the moment. Yeah, we need to build the capital. When I make my 2 million in 2 years, then it's easy. I'll open up. I'll give everyone like 10k each and go fucking scalp for me. You know what I mean?
Something short before you start to explain things.
Yeah.
Really, 1 minute. Just have a glance on AV on 4 hours with the Ichimoku.
Okay. This is a good one for me to explain.
Look at this candle. If it closes this way, do you think it will be like a trigger for shorts and they will trap them to go for long? Because there's a bull cross
Okay.
right now.
First things first. I need to have
This is just a simple thoughts
simple
of
glance
yours about this.
simple glance.
Yeah.
Just a glance. I would rather wait for a long here. Waiting, yeah.
Yeah.
Me personally, I'd wait for it to do this. Just one glance, without looking at too much detail, without looking at the chart. Like simply, if it was based on this. Where's my here we go. Do you have trading view, Stana?
No, I don't.
Invest
Should
in
I?
it. Yeah, it's free, bro. Get the free version for now. Maybe like this, Middleton, but if you really want to be safe.
Above the cloud. Yeah, that's it. That's why I just want to see your opinion on that one.
Like, it's better just to take these highs because there's sell order block here, a big one, and here. Okay, this is what we want to target. While if we were to short, I think the risk to reward is a little bit low for me. Like that's a scalp for me. Like, you know what I mean? So maybe.
Hey, what's a scalp, by the way?
A scalp is a short-term position.
Oh, okay.
A very dangerous position. Scalping requires precision. You are wrong more than you are right. Whittleton is an extraordinaire at having a wide stop loss. That's why he's barely wrong. He compounds his wins. That's how he builds his portfolio. But Al is more of a short-term trader. Indu is he can play both, but I think he's more of a swing position. I think everyone here is a swing position, because I think it's because when I started mentoring, I was showing like fucking trades like this, right? Middleton, like 10%, 15% stop losses. People are like, what the fuck? Like, what does this guy mean by 5% risk? Like even Al is like, what do you mean, bro? Like, what are you talking about? You say you're risking 5%, but man, your stop losses are like 15%. Because I'm barely wrong on Instagram every time I post this, because my positions are so long term. It's hard to be wrong. Just like how Stana is in profit, because he knows the general direction, so he can't be wrong.
Oh, yeah.
You know the general direction, it's up.
Yeah.
Now this is how I want to show you briefly how I chart. Okay. Before I teach you the Ichimoku, before I teach you my system, I need to teach you the basics, which is support and resistance, which is supply and demand. Resistance is supply, demand is support. Okay. What you do, you want to be able to drag, make a box or a line, whatever it is that you need to do, and you need to mark out the points in which it touches a lot. Okay.
Okay.
The more touches, the stronger it is. A minimum, Whittleton, how many touches is support? Or anything?
I like 3.
He likes 3.
Minimum 3.
Minimum 3, that's right, he's not wrong. The more better, the more the better. But also at the same time, if it's too much, it's gonna break. The perfect level to trade is between 3 to 4. The 5th one might break.
What do you mean break? Like what's?
Like break down or break up. The more touch.
Yeah.
The more touch. The more something touches, the more chances that it will break. So if it was like this, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, broke here.
Wait, but what's broken? Oh, okay. I see.
Breakout.
Oh.
Breaking
okay.
resistance, breaking support.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. Sorry with my terminology. I'll just ask me. Just tell me to
Yeah,
stop.
yeah, I will. Oh, yeah.
Pause me anytime. The more it touches, the more better. But at the moment, I'm charting Ave. It's I'm trying to see where it touches the most. Like maybe like this, Whittleton. Yeah. I'll teach you as well about bull traps. Like these here are traps or a no trade zone. We don't trade this. We don't trade chops like this. We want to see a proper zone establish, a tradable zone where there's easy invalidation. Okay. The most important rule of trading is simple. Write this and ingrain this inside your brain. In order to trade, you must know a goal. Okay, you need to have a plan, right? A goal and a plan. What is that? And you need to have risk management. What is that? And then you got to have capital growth, right? Simple. In order to inside the goal and a plan, first of all, you need to have value. You need to know what you're trading for in life. That's why I ask you, what are you trading for? You already told me, great. Now, also in trading, there's also a sub plan inside that, which is the goal and the plan. All trades must have an entry, okay, an invalidation, and an exit strategy. If it doesn't have any of these conditions fulfilled, it's not a trade, it's a gamble. You need to have an entry, you need to find an entry, and you need to find a point, an invalidation, in which if the price reaches that, that's the reversal. Basically, an invalidation is a reversal point from bull to bear. Now at the same time, an entry is also a point where it reverses from bull to bear or bear to bull. Now an exit strategy is a place, if you're placing a position on a long, it is basically points of resistance where price are likely to bounce back. And quite frankly, with the short, it's the same thing. It's a point in which prices will bounce upwards. That's it. It's a point of rejection. Exit strategies are points of rejection in which the higher the take profit, the higher the exit, the higher the lower the more likely that it will reject there. Yeah.
Okay.
Simple. And that's that. Risk management. You should never ever put more than 5% of your net worth on your stop loss. For example, if I gave you a trade like this, okay, this here is this here it's a long position. Let's say if I was to tell you to long here, okay. Now that there is 10%, 0.42, but that breaks the rule, doesn't it? On 5% of your total trading portfolio. So if you have $100, you're gonna lose $10. So instead of putting $100 there, put $50. You have to half your size. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. It's so nice to have an engineer. What did you end up finishing engineer, bro?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I didn't finish my law degree either. Fuck that shit. Don't worry. we all hate university here. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, man.
Whittleton, I think, did computing, isn't it? Whittleton. Is he there? Are you speaking?
I am. I was muted. Yeah, computers was my first love, and until now, it's something that I will not give up on. It's not something I want to live from. It's something I want to do.
Just a hobby.
Yeah.
See, the thing is, us Asians, we are told to do something because it's good for the family. But we're programmed. We're the ultimate sheeps, but then we're the sheep is
not only Asians, fam. This is all over, you know.
Yeah, everywhere,
I've been raised that way too. Go be a doctor, go be that and that. But I build different, so I don't interested in those.
We're not
Yeah, me too. Me too, man.
Not like in a way that I'm good. It's not like I'm trying to say I'm good. I'm too good for this. It's just not interesting me. Like I don't want to be a doctor. I don't want to be a vet. I don't want to be anything.
Good on you
Anything from
if you
those.
want to be a doctor, but that's not us. So, you know, we're here to make money, not to heal people.
Unfortunately, no. This is some heavy shit to deal with, like saving people. This is important, but it's not the
That's
thing that
not for
you know.
me, bro. I'll be honest, that's not for me, bro. But back on topic, you know, we all have a logical sense here because we have practice one way or the other. You know, technical aspects of things. That this is basically how the chart looks. Okay, first of all, the entry. Okay, at the moment, Whittleton, there is no better, like, it's either this, which is not a good entry. I don't like this. Me personally, I think it's this. I think you and I both agree that this is probably the safest trade to take on Aave, because if I turn on this one, you're probably gonna be surprised. There you go, surprise. It's in line with the Ichimoku as well. See, I'm gonna teach you how to trade the Ichimoku, Stana.
Yeah, I don't understand like what you just said as well.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. This is exactly how Whittleton feels. Ask him. When I was explaining shit, his first day was like, "What the fuck is this guy talking about?"
Those questions are normal. It's very not understandable when you don't know what it is. It's fine.
Yeah, I don't know
You
what
even don't know what was my reaction. I was like, "What the fuck?" The clouds and shit. How am I supposed to react to that?
But how easy is it once you know once you know something, it's like, yeah, okay, that makes sense. Just
I
like
would
that.
say the principle is easy. The work is hard on it, but it's interesting as fuck.
Yeah. Like, it's a lagging indicator,
And
which
it's working.
that's right. The problem is with the Ichimoku, it's a momentum indicator and a lagging indicator. What does that mean? That it could only work on a trending market, or like the downside, it's lagging. That's the problem.
okay.
But at the same time, if it's strong and it has a good invalidation, you play it. We love thick clouds, but I'm not gonna get on that straight away. Let's just keep it simple and do this. Why is this trade going to be like this? It's simple. We are in a downtrend. Okay. If we enter here, if we enter the trade here right now, where is it? If we enter the trade here, a likely chance that we would probably just get a better entry down here. So we might as well wait for the pullback down. That's why I said buy here.
Oh, I see what. Okay.
Yeah, but where is the next low? Because we don't like, in this server, we like high probability trades only. When you first start as an amateur trader, you look at a point, that support, and you just buy it, and then you put your trade like this, like really tight. The chances are you will get hunted, because there's a lot of sharks in this water. My job is here to protect you guys from it. This is what's gonna happen. It's gonna do this, and you think you're king shit because you put limit orders there, and that's what's gonna happen. It's gonna keep on going.
Oh.
How do we buy? Simple. We buy on reclaims. We buy this. We don't buy this. Even though it's lower, yeah?
Yeah.
We're like, does not compute. And I explain to make it compute. You don't want to catch a falling knife. You want to wait for it to trend. Okay? If you catch a falling knife, you're doomed. Let these people catch the knife, okay, and push the price up for you, and create a point of reclamation of support. Support.
Oh, I
It was
see.
resistance before, okay? Resistance turns to support turns into resistance. If it breaks down, okay, there's a high probability the price is going to get pushed down further. The reason why is because Bybit, the market knows that there's stop losses. If you enter a trade there as a limit, they know. You put your limit there, yeah? Like you put a limit order here. They know that your stop loss is going to be down here. Push it further. Take them all out. That's exactly what happened here, see? They bought down here. The price started moving up, yeah? One. And then they targeted here, yeah? They bought. They sort of bounce. It created a support. Boom. Boom. Alright, one more move up. And then people started buying here. And it bounced a little bit. It built some positions. Go on.
Wait, sorry?
What you were saying?
No, and then it went down like further after that.
Yeah, because there's people that have stop losses. You need to learn what a stop loss is.
Yeah, I need to know how to like
to set it. Let's say, okay, for example, okay, you aim for this move right, this, which is a 2.8 R, like a risk to reward is 2.81. So if you're risking 5% here, okay, if you're risking 5% trade here, you're gonna be multiplying your risk by 2.81%. Yeah, if you're risking 1, you're gonna get 2.81 back. That's all it is. Simple. So what the market makers did was they took everyone here. Took everyone out because they were expecting this move, right? This, yeah. They bought it, and the price kept on going down. What do? Watch. You wait for it to go down. You don't, and we still don't buy here. We wait for it to be reclaimed. This move here was a freak move, okay. But then you wait for here. Even these people here again got stopped out. Look. Now this is an entry. The breakdown, the reclaim here. See this? See this candle? This is called the engulfing candle. What does an engulfing candle do? If that was a bearish candle, okay, if there was a lot of sell pressure there, it was absorbed and turned into a buy pressure. And that's where you buy. Okay, if we didn't know, what the price is, give me a second.
Yeah, exactly.
If we didn't know,
if
we can't see, it would have been like this. This would have been the trigger. That's TP1 and TP2.
What's a trigger and what's like TP1, TP2?
Okay, take profit.
Oh,
okay. That was your entry. Okay, that was your entry. Why? It's an engulfing candle, and it also reclaimed the previous support here. Okay. You put your stop loss underneath there, and now this is a high probability trade because you have a strong invalidation point. Because if the price went from here to down here, it's gonna do this, and it's gonna go take out these ones. Why? Because it just means that it's weak. Simple. But it didn't. It closed above. It closed above this little box here, so we play it. That's take profit 1. A period in which there was a selling pressure here, that would have been resistance 1, and that's also technically resistance 2, but just aim for the highs here, make it down like this. Okay, it's a 2-hour trade. If you risk 5%, you're gonna get 10% back. Ready? You just press play.
But is there a chance for it to go down from that
Absolutely
candle?
Absolutely. Nothing
But
is
it's
guaranteed.
a higher probability it will go up.
Correct, because these people down here that has shorts open, they're gonna close it. When you close a short position at a loss, you buy back the coin. Do you want to know why? I'll tell you why. Where is this? Vedi is a god.
Repeat that last bit you said.
When a long position is closed at a loss, obviously it's normal, the price goes down, it's a sell. Now that's why the price keeps on moving downwards. This is what happened here. You open up a position here, you're aiming for this, the price keeps on moving downwards.
Yeah.
Because these people started closing their position, selling, sell, sell, sell,
Yeah.
sell, sell. Now, why does a liquidation of a short position, okay? Now these people down here, they're all shorted because they were expecting the price. Because these guys are bozos. Why would you short down here when your stop loss is there? What are you aiming for? This is the worst trade in history. What is this? You have your stop loss there. Fine, put your stop loss there. We'll just hunt it. Now, this is what amateurs do. I'll tell you right now. But if a major point of support or resistance have been reclaimed from a previous breakdown or break up, it's a very high probability chance that it's gonna go to the winning side, like, you know, obviously to whatever it is, like this. It's in golf. It's a reversal pattern. I'm gonna teach you more about that soon. But basically, if you shorted here, okay, there's two types of people. There's people that shorted here, and they're aiming for this. Now they're big positions, and they can also have a stop loss here as well. But this is a shit trade. But the reality is they have stop losses here. Why? Simple. Resistance, 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 yeah? Because look, see this wick? It means supply. Okay, people are supplying, they were selling here. Now this is a big supply, they sold it. Okay, they put another one here because they're expecting that to be rejected there. What happened? The price broke down below this support and they shorted. That was a short signal. Here's a short signal. Technically speaking, it's not a bad trade. They were aiming to target these lows. They were expecting the price to do this, okay, which is a valid trade. Not in my eyes though. That's a weak trade. Predictable. Be unpredictable. Now, what? So those people that have stop losses here, right? They're gonna start closing it if the price starts moving upwards at a loss. Okay? When you short sell something, give me a second. Where is this? I actually have a stream notes. Here we go.
Also, wait. Before you continue, like, explain more, like, what's a stop loss and I think I kind of know what it means, but
A stop loss is an invalidation. If a price hits, if you enter a position here, if this is your entry, okay, and this is your exit, a stop loss is a point where you would have to sell your position, realize the loss.
okay.
It's easy when you're longing, isn't it? That's why I'm talking about shorting more, because quite frankly, you can just buy here and expect the price to go up there. And then if it goes below 57, you're at a loss, yeah?
Yeah.
Let me jump fast forward into shorting. Short selling is an investment strategy where you sell a security that you don't own with the intention of buying back later at a lower price. This is done in the hope of making a profit from the decline in the security price.
Yeah, that's like that one. I don't I don't fully understand. Like making
explain.
money on a loss, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that one I don't
Let me
understand.
explain. For example, let's say you believe the price of an asset.
Would drop.
Let's say you believe the stock price of XYZ Corporation is going to decline. You short sell 100 shares of XYZ Corporation at $100 per share. Yeah. This
Okay,
means that you could borrow 100 shares of XYZ Corporation from me, okay, and sell them on the open market. If the price of XYZ Corporation declines to $50 per share, then you can buy the 100 shares of the XYZ Corporation on the open market and return them to me, and your profit would be $50 per share, or 5,000 in total.
Okay, well, I got it for a bit, but then I kind of lost it again.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
I don't know if everyone gets on the first go here. Okay.
Mm-mm. So you're basically borrowing the
yes,
asset.
okay, that's right. You're borrowing the asset from the exchange. Okay.
Mm.
You want to sell something that you don't have. How do you do
Okay.
it? You borrow from me.
Yeah.
You borrow from someone who has at the exchange, or me, whoever.
Yeah.
You sell 100. Let's say you sell 100 Bitcoin, okay, at a corporate from me, okay, at $100 each.
Mm.
This means that you could borrow the 100 from me and sell it for how much?
Yeah.
Here, 100 times 100. You just sold it. You got $10,000.
Yeah.
You have $10,000 in cash right now.
Yeah.
But then you have to give me back 100. So what do you do to give me my share back? I don't care about the money. I just want my share.
Yeah.
You buy it lower at $50.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. I got it.
It only costs 5,000.
Oh, yeah.
You
Okay.
give me
So
back.
you made money. Yeah.
That's right. So you give me back 100. I haven't lost anything,
Mm-mm.
but
But
you
I
just
made
made
money.
5,000. Correct. You made 5,000.
Oh. Yeah. So the thing I didn't know was the borrowing something you don't have
Yeah, that's why it's called
and
short selling.
and selling that.
Now, what happens if the price of the 100 shares at $100 goes to $200? 100.
Yeah. So you lost money.
100 times 200. Now you're down.
Yeah.
Now you're short. So now you have to buy back. Now you're at a loss at negative 10,000.
Yeah.
Almost 100%, isn't it? You're done. You're finished.
Yeah.
Not only do you have to give me back 100, okay, you have to buy that back at 20,000.
Yeah.
So you're out of pocket $10,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
So now remember this. You have to buy back those shares, the 100 Bitcoin at $100 that you sold. Now you have to buy it back at 200 to give it back to me. That's what a stop loss is.
Does it? So you have to, like, it's a must. You must do that.
Well, how you gonna give me back my share, my boy?
Can I give you back later?
No, it's a business, bro.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's as soon as you lost,
Done. It's realized.
then okay.
In futures, it's a contract. Once it reaches a certain point, okay, you can keep adding margin. It just means that it's gonna go higher and higher and higher and higher. It's infinite. How much can you owe me? How much can you owe me before you make back your money? You're trying to make 18%, but you're already down 53%. Make sense? Because you have to keep on topping up your margin.
Yeah.
Margin. You're gonna keep on topping up your margin. I have trades that are negative $230 if I'm down, but you top up bit by bit. But if the target is like this is a shit trade. You know what I mean? Now you're down. You have to cover your losses.
Yeah.
Now back to what I was saying. You open up a trade there, okay? Now, if the price triggers, this is what these people do. They keep on topping up their margin. And then they puke their position. You know what the word puking is? You close it. You're done. You finish. So now, I bought Aave. I sold Aave at 59. Okay? I bought Aave at $59.26, yeah? 26 cents, yeah? You sold it.
Yeah.
5,926, okay? Now, if the price keeps on going upwards to 66,816, okay? 66.816, okay? Minus 5,926. You're down $755, my boy. Yeah. So you have to buy back at that position at a loss and that's
Yeah.
why the price keeps on moving up if shorts get stopped
Okay.
out. Now
I see.
that's why the
Yeah.
price keeps on moving up because you have to buy it.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. So they're
Yeah,
forced to buy. That's why it has to go up.
yeah, they're forced to buy up.
Yeah.
That's why what we do is we force people to be trapped down here. We push the price up, reclaim the support, and start buying.
Mm.
Do the unexpected. That's why the price keeps on moving upwards.
So we're selling to those people that have to buy
Yeah.
the.
No.
Oh.
We're buying. We technically speaking, they're buying. They're buying. We already bought here. Now they're buying up here, forcing the
Yeah. Yeah.
price to go up. See this level here. There's someone
Yeah.
defending their position here, and then they open up a short position here, and then they got swallowed. And then they tried selling again here, and they got absorbed. Kept on pushing upwards. This is what happened here.
Mm.
Okay, that's what shorting is, without getting too deep. Okay, now you get the basic of shorting, why shorting works. Okay,
Yeah.
this is
But
short.
like,
Yeah.
I get it now, but I think I'm gonna like, the next time I come back to this, I'm gonna like forget a little bit. Like it's not gonna make sense again.
No way, it's gonna
You know
make
what I mean?
sense. No, not after one stream. It's impossible.
Okay.
It took me like 4 years to get destroyed,
Mm.
losing a lot of money. But that's how it is. That's how it is. But that's the
Yeah,
basic.
sorry.
Yeah.
Ah.
Now, based on what Whittleton's question, sorry, I got a little bit off tangent. I just want to be able to explain to everyone at the same time. So
Don't need to be sorry about him.
Yeah.
It's all good.
now back to Ave, because he was asking to me like how these things work.
Yeah.
So which is good. I want you to be asking me questions. If you don't ask questions, there's no point being here.
Mhm.
There's there. Okay. This is what I think is going to happen. There's two scenarios where you can buy Whittleton without the Ichimoku, yeah? You buy here. You buy here. Shit. You buy here. But then you wait for these guys here to be taken out. Like this. And then you can make like a trade like this. Something like this. You gotta wait for these people to get taken out. Okay? Because we love buying people's liquidation. Wait for these people to get taken out. Then you buy in. Okay? Or you wait for it to break up. Then you go in. That's scenario 1.
Yeah,
Okay.
proper retest after it breaks the resistance.
Absolutely, my bro. Absolutely proper. There is no other way
It will
to
be
do
a stronger one than that below, yeah. Because then, if I will enter in that below, that's fine though. But I will wait until it breaks the bigger resistance, which there I will need to decide if I closing in profit or I'm continuing that size, yeah.
Like, yeah, correct. Or if it does go here, right? But you need to wait for like proper like invalidation, right? The proper stop loss, yeah, right? What you want to do is wait for the proper stop loss, right? And then you only play 1% here, 1%, yeah, 1%.
Yeah.
You play a 1% here, and then in here you add 3%. 2 trades. You can do 1% here because it's risky and let it ride. And then just move the stop loss upwards. That's 1% done. Trade's done. Okay? And let it run. Because you're not concerned about losing 1%, right? And then
No, this is why I'm risking it.
pennies here. And then you wait for this to move up, and then you add your size. Or you can even do 4% straight away here. Boom. Aiming from this. Why is this a successful and high probability trade, Stunner? It's simple. It's a reclaim of this support. You see the support?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is resistance. This is support, and this is resistance. So if it was to do this, the chances that it's gonna move up very quick, very snappy. Look at this, very snappy, 26%. With all due respect, bro, how long does it take for you to make 26% in one trade? You're gonna be hodling for quite some time.
Oh yeah.
We want quick moves. We enter, we wait for a high probability move, then we add leverage to it. Okay? You increase your size by increasing your risk, but still only losing 5% per trade, and you let it run. And just like that, in this trade here, easily, you make 10%, 20% move, depending on how much you risk.
How do you know like what's like why? Wait, I mean,
Go on.
you know how you said so that's support, resistance, resistance. How do you know it's gonna break out into like high?
I don't know. That's why we wait. The hardest part about trading is what, Whittleton?
Are we just like predicting, is it?
No, the predicting is the easy part.
Oh.
Is waiting for the trigger. That's it. Like literally, you don't understand.
It will get to a point when you get annoyed because sometimes it will never get to this point, and then you're like, you just waited but
for
it's
nothing.
cool.
But that's fine. That's why we watch multiple charts. Do not do this. Do not watch a million charts. Do not do this. Have a very clean board. Like literally, I'm not even watching all of this because I have a team now. I have friends. We have a team. This is the beauty of having a team. Whittleton is watching his charts. I'm watching my chart. Indu is watching his chart.
Oh, so you let each other know what's going on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Like, Al is not going to be active in the next 2 weeks, but that's fine. We've got a team. Vadi is still learning. Vadi, your Mrs. Eddie, and your Mrs. Whittleton can all learn together. I'm gonna have like 3 girls learning at the same time. It's gonna be amazing.
It can be amazing. The problem is my girlfriend needs to learn English a little bit better to understand you all and to talk with you all. So I'm helping her to translate.
That's okay.
Yeah,
I'm
pushing her to learn even more. She knows, she understands, but you know, it sounds funny when she tries to speak.
I don't say that, fam. Don't say it.
No, in a good way. It's
Yeah,
improving, but she still needs to practice.
Indu says he does not good at English. When he speaks, he sounds exactly like he sounds exactly like Stana.
It's fine. He's fine.
He's fine. Vadi doesn't even want to speak. Now she's speaking every day with me. It's different, you know what I mean? Just everyone just needs to, it's a nice learning environment here. Everyone, you know, is not judging. Everybody is the same. You know what I mean? I'm Whittleton. Whittleton is me. You know what I mean? There's nothing different. Everyone's the same. But you know, I don't want to overload you too much with information, bro. Because, but that's basically how I chat. I do this once this is done, yeah. Like we've charted, yeah.
Yeah.
Now we clean it up, right? We clean it up.
Wait. Also, why do you draw a rectangle for the? Like, I don't know what line that is.
What line? This one?
see, yeah, that one. Why is that what's that line again? Oh, like that rectangle?
That rectangle, it's a zone. It's a zone.
Yeah, what's the zone? Yeah.
Well, at the current time, it's resistance, isn't it? Because if we are under it's a resistance. Yeah. But what was it before, Stana? What is this? It's support.
Yeah.
It's holding, yeah? And he pumped. And it wasn't a fuck around pump too. It was like a 37% pump. Yeah? And it moved downwards. You need to understand.
So you're drawing a zone for like the support and resistance.
Correct.
So it's not just a line.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Okay.
open up a private channel for you to learn soon. I have Vedi's personal channel, okay? In her channel it has like nothing personal, nothing. It's a straight up homework. It's like a trading diary. It's your Bible that you could always look back upon. You know what I mean? You can leave notes there. I'm prototyping a nice curriculum, like a place of study, like proper, like a real school. You know what I mean? And soon I'm gonna send homeworks for you. Or I mean, if you want, I can send you homework now. But today I just wanted to catch up. I wanted to hear your voice. It's been a while, man.
Yeah, I know.
Back in the days when we were like Skyping,
Oh yeah, Skype.
playing Arrivals.
Yeah.
Hey, Whittleton, I used to be a girl for like 4 or 5 years, playing online games, like stealing money from GMs.
Well, you used to be a what? I didn't
I
hear
used to be a girl on an online game.
a girl. Oh, we all have this time. It's fine.
A really famous one too. Like I wasn't like some. I have the most like literally like I was one of the best players on the server, and I used to be the #1 gold digger, man. Like my
What game on Rivals?
like Space Cowboys Arrivals. It's like it's like a spaceship game. It's like a fast-paced. Yeah. Let's put it this way. It takes a whole nation to kill me, isn't it? Remember?
How long it was, guys?
Man, how long did we play that game for, man?
Like, what period of time you're talking about? A few years ago? Like 1 year ago?
Whoa.
2 years ago? Just wondering myself.
It's like
Man.
Yeah, I sometimes I got curious about stupid shit. I know.
10 years, bro.
yeah, 10 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
I had a boyfriend in 10. I had a boyfriend 10 years ago, Whittleton.
Yeah.
My main concern 10
Yeah, bro.
years ago was what TV show will I watch after school?
And I was already scamming and selling things on the you know, I was selling weapons for like $200-300 a piece, man. zero production cost. But that's I used to play a lot with Stana, and yeah, and I used to and
Mine is the days of the Maple Story.
well, there you go. You know, selling weapons, you know what I mean? It's nice. It's a good time. I don't regret it for 1 second.
The old metaverse.
The old metaverse. Now we're in the new metaverse. But I don't want to set you homework first, bro. I don't want to shock you. Okay. I want you to show me and practice what you know. Okay. Should there be any question that arises, like there's one person that's actually really good at teaching Fibonacci. That's probably Whittleton, but
We can do that. Why not?
you know what I mean? Like, if you did want to catch up, it depends on how busy Whittleton is. Because I don't know, his schedule on Fridays is usually he spends time with his girlfriend and family, and I don't blame him. It's a weekend, but me, I'm always busy trying to make money somehow. I'm in love with money. Like, what do you want me to do? But yeah, let me get you to read something as well on Emperor BTC.
Okay. I'm gonna like reread again the chapter 1 to 4 again. So whatever you had.
I'll see when I'm free on the weekend and stuff. I'll find some time for sure for if it's to teach and to practice myself on Fibonacci. You're all welcome to show up. Yeah, I will just I will post a message on the Discord when I will do it. And
Yeah.
if it fits, it fits. If not, we'll schedule another day that will fit.
Like legitimately, when it comes to from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's Whittleton's, like this whole server. It's just him providing content. I don't touch those days at the moment. I have a project. The project is simple. I'm turning 25k to 2.5 million. Okay, and it cannot be
Okay.
with the money that I already have. That would be easy.
Mm.
It has to be fresh owned. Okay, I'm doing Uber right now. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Uh,
lucky you can do Uber, fam. Like here we don't have Uber in this area.
I swear to
You
God,
need to
you'd be
get
doing
a
Uber.
tax license and stuff like that.
So the purpose of this is, on top of doing networking and meeting new people and getting them on board to the Discord channel, okay,
Mm-hmm.
I'm also trying to prove to you guys it's not hard to be a millionaire. It's not. You
Mm.
just have to have capital, and don't say you don't have capital. Okay, you can always do extra jobs. That's what I'm trying to do. I'll make 25k in a couple of weeks. Oh, not a couple of weeks, a couple of months. Okay, and use that money and probably trade a couple of that. Maybe if I make like 10k, I'll turn 10k into like 20k in a month or so. Quick big risk. After that, start moving it slowly. I'll have like 25k by August, before end of year. 25k easy. And then we'll start the challenge new year from the 1st of January. Hopefully 25k to 2.5 mil. I'll record everything, and I'll even show you my Uber statements, all the time that it took for me to get that money, and that's it. I want to be a motivation, bro, to people. Like, fuck, bro. I'm sick and tired of looking at broke people on the road, man. It's impossible, bro. You guys can't be stuck living this life. It's impossible. It's impossible to be poor if you work hard. You know what I mean, man? Like, if I can do it, you can do it. That's what I'm trying to say.
Mm.
So that's why I'm doing Uber, like really hardcore, from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3 days, making an extra $1,000 a week, okay,
Mm.
and turning, and increasing. When you increase your size, gentlemen, the bigger the size, the smaller the risk. Make sense? You can lower your leverage. You can take swing positions. Your money can fluctuate. Up, down, up, down. You're not going to get stopped out. If you have a big position, it's very unlikely you're going to get stopped out. You know who gets stopped out? Retail gets stopped out. But anyway, I could talk for hours, man. But chapter 1 to 4, you done that, yeah?
Yeah.
Please read it again.
I will.
And,
Yeah.
and by next week, my bro, it's only 54 pages, man. You've read entire engineering books in uni, bro. This is nothing. You're actually gonna like it, this one here. You're actually gonna make money. You know what I mean? Chapter 1 to 7. Chapter 1 to 7 should be a piece of cake for you, because you come from an academic background. 54 pages, okay? I need you to focus on 4, okay? 4, 5, and 6. This shit here is a lot of technical jargon that you don't need.
Oh, okay.
Like this. This is just
Yeah.
so you understand when I say exchange, when I say FOMO, when I say bull,
Mm.
when I say bear, bubble, FUD, day trading, swing trading, positional trading, day trading, leverage. I need you to know what leverage is. I need you to know what margin is. And these are things that you don't need to be like, oh my God, I need to know all these things. Bro, most of the times I don't even say these things
Okay.
at all. Like, I don't even say OLHC. I don't even say like spread. The fuck is spread? I don't care about spread. We're not trading out. We're not trading Shiba Inu from Uniswap. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Demand zone, supply zone, stop loss, liquidity. Uptrend, downtrend. That's pretty self-explanatory. You know what I mean? Consolidation, correction, sideways market, sell-off, rally, accumulation. That's. I hope that sounds simple, because it is. It sounds exactly
Yeah.
what it means. It's a rally. It's a sell-off. It's a pattern, a fractal, a price movement which occurred earlier and it might occur again. It's basically like a ghost. I mean, like an echo. Liquidation, where you are stopped out of your position because the trade went in the opposite direction and your margins are not big enough to carry the trade anymore. This is what a liquidation is. arbitrage. That's like, you know, if there's different in pricing in different exchanges, shit like that. But learn candlesticks, but not too much. Just learn what these are. Learn what a wick is. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Learn what an engulfing candle is. This is like this. There's so many candlestick patterns. You're gonna fuck your brain, bro. Learn what an engulfing candle is and what a and what a basically a hammer is. This
Okay.
is what you need to know. All right, and then no wicks, shit like this. It's very easy. Just briefly, bro. I don't need you to go in depth. No one is gonna get tested. Okay, but there's this page. What page was it, Whittleton? Fuck. There's remember this page? High probability. However, the real world trading is hang on. Advanced uses of support and resistance, page 39. Below illustrate the advanced practices by seasoned traders to determine high probability entries for profit. This should be a Bible. We love fake breakouts and fake breakdowns. We love stop loss huntings. We love them. They're high probability trades. Because the real move happens after retail dies. It sounds cold-hearted, isn't it, bro? But that's the reality of the game. Ask Whittleton, ask me, how many times have you placed a trade at support or resistance? It takes you out, and then it does the move that you want it to do. Like once a week.
Wow, it happened so many times, like with you
With me, absolutely.
on live even.
Live, yeah, absolutely. And I'm not afraid to admit it because that's part of trading. Even me, like a trader that's been doing it for quite some time, I still get stopped out, and then the price moves my way. Look at GMX. That's why I have a wide stop loss, and I can cancel my trades early to minimize my risk, and I can always go back in higher or lower. Done. Simple. Page 39. But basically, yeah, 1 to 7. Once you do that, it's fine.
Okay.
Whittleton, anything from you today? Do you want to know what like let's do more charts? BTC is really boring right now.
Yeah, that's why basically I didn't have anything to do unless he does anything interesting. So now I'm monitoring my trade,
Yeah,
looking for something new. But you know, I don't want some
I want to
carry
show.
moves.
Yeah.
This.
What about we show the young stunner, a beautiful dashboard, our my trades that's been here for quite some time now. This trade will give me $188. This trade will give me $317. This trade will give me like $330. This trade will give me $591. Doge.
God damn.
But I'm gonna hold it. I don't care for how long. But I'm not waiting to become a billionaire. I'll take profit and I'll move it to another coin. I don't marry my coins, bro.
Yeah, I need to know how to like
Yeah.
sell mine.
You need to cut.
That's the problem. Yeah.
I don't want to say this, bro, but eventually there's gonna be a point where I'm gonna tell you, man, you leave your XRP moonbag, because I don't want to be the one that tells you to sell it, and then one day that XRP goes to 10,000. Unlikely, but whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, 594. Very. If look, let's be real, bro. If XRP goes to even 1,000, that's a lifetime.
It can't do.
bro.
Yeah, but it can't. I checked the like
The market cap.
the market cap. Yeah.
Yeah. What's the highest that it can go? If it match gold.
But I don't know, because I only checked like what can it go up or what it can't go up to. So I don't. It can't even go up to 100.
Yeah. I believe that XRP was gonna go to $10. In
I thought it
2021.
can go to 10.
Yeah. You know, and then let's buy 10,000 of XRP, $10,000 worth of XRP, and then we'll become 100,000ers. Yeah. Hey, bro, been there, done that, bro. Been there, done that, bro. I'm an XRP army, bro. I'm the #1 XRP fag, bro. Okay, I love XRP. Try, ask Middleton.
Me too, man. Me too.
That's all I talk about. XRP. That's like my that's like my. It has a special place in my heart. The first crypto I ever bought was $300 worth of XRP. That's the first crypto I ever.
Yeah. We all have different relationship with coins.
Yeah.
I don't know. I love frogs, but the frogs doesn't love everybody.
Oh, don't
Just
talk about
kidding,
frogs
bro.
with me, man. I don't like this frog, man. I've
I
had a
know
very
you don't like it. This is why I mentioned it.
Fucking
I took
Pepe.
profit on it today.
This fucking frog, man.
I love playing with this green frog.
I cannot catch this frog, man. This is a good chat though. Like even sometimes, bro, as a trader, you're gonna be like, even if the chart speaks to you, you just can't. Like it's impossible. It's impossible. I can see this trade happening, okay? But as soon as I take this trade, it's just gonna go like this. Seriously. No matter how good and perfect my chart looks, no matter how high probability my trade is, I have never made money on like I've made money like once or twice on Pepe, and I've had like an 80% loss rate on Pepe.
I've never touched this.
But keep in mind, like for Pepe, like I made like big money, like that, right? And then I started like doing stupid shit with it, like high leverage, whatever. You know what I mean? I already sold here, but I got this move.
Oh, nice.
I got this move, and then I managed the big move, but I can't catch a 10% move on Pepe. It's unbelievable, isn't it, Middleton? Impossible, bro. I have never made more than like I have never won a trade. Ever since I made my big win on Pepe, I have never won it again. I just, and then I banned this coin from my life. I just don't trade it anymore. But then I have to be unbiased. If someone asks me, hey, what do you think of Pepe? I give them this chart right now. This is Pepe. He looks really good. Like this is like a invest in Head and Shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. This is exactly what I was talking about before. Wait for the breakdown. Wait for the pump. Wait for the retest. Hold. When it holds, wait for the trend to change from a downtrend to an uptrend. So technically speaking,
it can go up.
So yeah. Don't fucking buy Pepe. I swear to God.
No, I'm not. No.
Maybe if Whittleton takes profit on Pepe, I go long, and then Whittleton opens up like 100 BT, like 100 shorts, because that's exactly what happened every time I long Pepe, bro. Like he's laughing because it's true. Every time I long Pepe, the market crash.
I'm laughing because I'm not putting even more than $1.50 on this coin. There's no way I'm putting more than $1.50. Even if I'm a millionaire, I will not touch this coin with over $2.
Ah man, like bro, like I burnt so much money on Pepe. It's not even funny. I just hate it. I
remember GPT?
Huh?
Do you remember GPT?
Oh, I can't do that, bro. GPT, I can. I remember I did it live with we were watching GPT. We done this move, Stunner. We saw this, wasn't it? It was hang on. It was on the daily, wasn't it, bro? Yeah, it was this.
I don't remember.
I'd remember everything.
I don't remember.
Actually, I don't know what was better, my XRP trade or was it my GPT trade? But I helped move GPT, but I actually helped move this coin on Bybit. You can move coins. You can move coins like shit coins. But I can't move Pepe.
Oh yeah.
like I can move coins like this. This like I remember when I was looking. Remember Whittleton? There was no one selling. There was no one buying. It was just like liquidations after liquidation. I'm like, fuck this. I open up my long. I started pumping it slowly and forcing people out of their shorts, and the price kept on moving upwards. And then when the price keeps on moving upwards, I know what the market is thinking. I'm gonna short here because it's GPT, and it just pumped 10%. We let it move down, trap some shorts, and then push them more up. Same like GameStop. Remember GameStop and AMC?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened, but in a smaller time frame. This is a good trade.
That's funny.
It's funny, bro. Bro, they kept on shorting, and I kept on pushing the price up. I think it was me. I think there was like 3, 4, 5 people pushing it. Like we didn't do it. Like we didn't call each other, hey, let's pump and dump this coin. No.
Yeah, of course.
We didn't. It was like I can see someone bidding, okay, and it's like, okay, I'll bid with him, and then another like a couple, like I don't know, maybe like 1 or 2 more people jumped, but it wasn't a big position. It was like literally me. Like this whole move cost only like, yeah, it was good money. Let's just, I don't want to be a dickhead, but yeah, but you made money. This position exit was the first guy here, and I exited here. So we both exited, and the price kept on moving upwards, and then we exited a little bit more here and there, but whatever. I don't even remember anymore. Fucking Whittleton reminded me of this trade. That's
It was a big event for me because it's the first time when I see a coin blew up like this.
Oh really? Oh, I'm glad I could be a part of that.
on live, like trading it, yeah, definitely. I saw those pumps in like real time when the shitcoin season was like a few years ago. But when I was trading the first time with you on this coin, this is the first time I experienced, such an excitement from a coin that blew up.
And then I said,
cool.
Hey man, this is it. And I remember. And hang on though, I entered here. Here it is. I already let this guy do all the work. Look at me. I'm a snake, bro. Look. I saw this. I thought I'm so in. That's literally what I said to Whittleton. I'm in, bro. I'm going in. What? It was here. No, it was here. It was here. Live, bro.
Someone in the early stages of the breakout, yeah.
Yeah, and I think this is the whole trade. Yeah, 100%.
Goddamn.
But then I didn't only make it like that. Like it was like this, and then it pulled back. I went back in, but then I stopped. But this is the move. I just missed TP. I just missed the full TP. We marked 80. Obviously, it's gonna miss because the market makers are not gonna let you. Honestly, market makers, it literally means just big, like people that are like has big orders. They're not gonna let you fucking sell on them. Are you serious, bro? We're gonna exit first before you fuck with. Yeah, I remember Whittleton was so happy. Oh, GPT is possible that you wanna see it again. You wanna pump GPT again. Let's pump GPT.
I'm just looking for the coins that will survive this end of the bear market to see what will happen to them when BTC start to pumping up like a bodybuilder. Then I want to see them flying out like birds,
Yeah, absolutely.
pumping from all of the ways.
Bro, there's like literally. Bro, remember when we were looking at a GPT? There was literally no one. It was like dots everywhere.
And then boom.
Yeah, there's someone. Look, there's still someone still selling. I've already sold all mine, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. I exit my whole position. Just dump the market. Let it slip. Yeah. This is shit coins that you should never ever touch because it's literally, even as the price moved up, look. Where is this chart? I think it was like daily. There's not enough data. Hang on. I remember when me and Whittleton was looking at this, like there was literally no one. Remember, bro? It was just like blue dots.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely like nothing.
Like nothing. No one.
Nothing.
No one. Or maybe do this liquidations. Don't look at this and be like, what the fuck is he looking at? Just ignore this, okay?
Stana, where do you live now, if I may ask? If it's cool to ask.
He's asking,
Like in the world. I
Uh,
don't need the street number, just the country. I'm from
It's-
Israel, for example.
it's in Sydney, Australia.
Yeah, it's with me, bro.
Ah, Australia. You both.
Yeah.
You both guys from Australia then. So nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, this guy hasn't stopped selling. Look. Literally, look. See this move? Hang on. See this move? From here?
Yeah.
It's literally just selling. We just sold. Like it was only like a little push. Like this. And boom. There was no one buying before. No one. They didn't even have data, bro. It was just literally just people liquidating each other, and I thought, I'm like, fuck these guys, Middleton, let's kill him. No, that was my trade in Middleton. That's when we were truly like, yeah. But man, there's really nothing at the moment. I don't recommend you guys let the market cool off a little bit. As a matter of fact, just wait. So this is what I do, right? Like Stunner, I wait for the. I usually have the power to stay until 2 o'clock and wait for this candle to close.
Mm.
And then if there's no good trades, I call it a night. But watch out, Doge. 4 hour. Alpha. Oh, is this Alpha? Whittleton?
This is Alpha.
It's BOS.
I can. Yes.
94. Hang on, what did I ask for 94? I had a sign. I had a sign. It's similar to my APT sign. I kept on looking at Alpha everywhere, so I might add $10 here. Where's Alpha here? $10. Yeah, I bought some Alpha there. Yeah, Alpha is good. I only see look at my risk, Stana. With such a
What am I looking at?
see here, my return of
Yeah.
investment if I hit stop loss is 85%. But what did I say before? You don't risk more than 5% of your total portfolio. I'm literally risking like barely 1% here on this trade.
Okay.
So if I get stopped out, I only got stopped out for 1%. But if I make it, I'm making like 10% more than 10%. Like yeah, like I think around 10%. But yeah, there we go. I'm risking 1% to make 10%. That's the risk to reward is like 10 to 1.
Yeah, that's good.
Same with Axie, risking 1%, like around there, and making around like.
Yeah.
Look at the risk to reward, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the drawdown. Most people get a heart attack losing 106%. I don't even have anxiety anymore because my risk is managed. Yeah. BTC losing 2%, 132%, but only losing how much? 2%. 74%. But these are swing positions. The only one that are short term is BTC right now here, intraday.
Damn, I gotta learn how to use this like Bybit as well.
I don't ask for referral. If you're gonna use any referral, get Whittleton's referral, please.
Okay.
Whittleton, can you send him your referral link?
Yeah, sure, it's fine. Yeah. Why not?
You guys gotta, flourish and off each other. You know what I mean? I don't want anyone to use my referral link, because otherwise it makes
I
me.
don't even know what I'm earning from this referral. I don't even care. But it's just when I take screenshots of the trade, it
It
just
looks nice.
appears there. So
Yeah. Show him. Show him. I think it's in wins. Here we go. Um,
I don't even know how to
I
use it.
know. Oh, bro, nothing. Just give him
I
a.
didn't use any referral. So
I think
I'm
Middleton makes like $10, $20.
Yeah, man, it's good.
It's good money, bro. Like
Yeah.
Middleton, like it's
I,
money,
I
bro.
I don't know where it's where I see even
Bro,
who's got
open up.
invited by me. Yeah.
Nah, you'll see in gifts like here. Look, if you go to this and then you go to like go to homepage and then you go to like, oh fuck, what is this? I don't want your fucking Rolex. I don't want your Lambo. Fuck off. I think you go on the app. It's easier,
I'm
Middleton.
sending this on the voice chat.
Mm.
Wait, so Bybit's a US
No,
exchange.
it's international.
Oh, international.
And you can even buy using a credit card here, bro. It's really cheap. So you can sell USDT shit like that. But you can always transfer. This is how you do it, okay? If you made profit on Bybit, you just have to
Yeah.
transfer it into your CoinSpot and then realize your profit by transferring into your bank account. But
Mm.
where the fuck here VIP program, referral program here. Look at this. So you go here, Whittleton. You go to referral program, and then you see my commission 20%. Invite friends and earn up to 1,025 USDT and 30%. I don't give a fuck.
What's USDT anyway?
Hmm?
What's USDT?
USDT is tether. It's what you use to trade derivatives, futures. That's what you trade with. You trade with this. See? GPT USDT. The pair.
Oh, okay.
It's the pair.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Oh.
Bro, whoever is trading, whoever's referral fee is like, but 20% commission off fees though, right? No, that's so sad, bro. Invite your first qualified referee expired bonus. But that's so sad. This is like a new account. I don't have any referees here. Before I had, but I don't want to. Like literally use that one and register. And if your girlfriend trades Stana, use your referral fee. You know what I mean? Everyone's winning.
Mm-hmm.
Rotate the money inside the server.
Why did you use Bybit? Like, what's good about it?
What? How are we gonna trade leverage?
Oh, okay.
Just register for it first, okay? This is a $400 position, but I'm only spending 50 US dollars. This is a $200 position, but I'm only putting $30.
Mm.
This is a $500 position, but I'm only spending $50. This is a $2,400 position, but I'm only using $50. But if I lose this trade, I'll lose $66. Liquidated.
Mm-hmm.
Requires skill, Eddie. But I'll get you there. But first you gotta get an account. You need to learn how to use the exchange, okay?
Yeah.
If you want to share your screen or whatever, I'm sure Whittleton has spare time this weekend because I don't. Otherwise, just look on trade resources. I think. Give me a sec. Let me check something. I think Vedi was telling me something before about roles. Traders needs to have like permissions, manage channels, manage roles. No. Read history, read history, manage nicknames, ban kick members. No, it's not. Create private threads, embed links, attach files. Give me a moment. Manage messages. Manage threads, manage to delete messages or pin any messages. Read message history. There we go. Ah, that's why. Now you can see read message history. Okay, done. Now you can see previous messages in Traders Alpha and shit like that. If you go to Trades Resources, you can see shit there.
Resources. Like just scrolling up.
Mm? Yeah, trade resources. What do you see in there? Do you see everything?
I think so. Yeah, from May 6th.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it. I've already turned everyone to be able to see previous history and shit. Before I had it turned off.
Oh.
But Alpha is good, bro. I'm in Alpha, man. 100% I'm in Alpha again. That's the only thing I want to top up. Alpha, Doge. Doge is a top up here. Whittleton. Look at Doge, bro. Small, very small size here. Look. Soon above Ichi.
Yeah. Looks good.
Axie weak. Anything? XRP is looking pretty shit right now, but we are going to buy XRP here at the bottom. I've already marked my alerts. So the step that you need to do, Stun, is simple. Get Bybit, okay? Get TradingView, and then just you know, if you need help, message us, tag us. Otherwise, oh, sushi? Is sushi? No, I thought sushi was good. Nothing, hey. 1 inch, bro. Look, it's killing me right now. Look at 1 inch. I'm waiting for 1 inch to go here. 1 inch, make a DAO. No. GMX. Oh, fuck off, GMX. We'll buy again at 44. Ocean, nothing. Solana. Solana soon. Solana needs to be watched. Above this, we can long. OGN. See how I'm able just to do this quickly, Eddie?
Yeah.
It's because I have the Ichimoku system. And just make I can just see it quickly. Eventually, you will. Kava looks like shit. Oh my god. Did this ID trade really play out and I faded it? Wow. What did it go to? 14% now, whatever. I would have got stopped out anyway. No. Yeah, I would have got stopped out somewhere there. Was it here? I don't remember. Was it this or this? Aptos. He done 10% again before, but then he dumped. I think Aptos. Yeah. OP. OP looks like a short. Yeah, there's nothing. Do you have anything, Whittleton? There's nothing, isn't there? I'm looking everywhere.
I don't even want to look if BTC not doing anything, because then it means if I'm going into something that I looked for and BTC is just stuck in the place, it means I'm taking too much risk on this trade.
People is a short, I think.
I have problem with shorts, you know. I guess I don't like shorting.
Because you're a bull, just like me. That's the reality. We were born a bull. Ooh, Phil. Hang on. Not yet.
I guess there were too much shorts in my life, so I can't see them no more. Only the longs.
We only like longs. Whittleton, this is Phil is playing out. Maybe keep an eye on this chart. Phil plays for me this weekend.
Phil, you
Yeah.
got it.
It's at the bottom of the range. It's very potential that if we reclaim this level like this, easily do this easily with this eyes
You
closed.
want me to pull out the chart, simple one?
If you want, if you want, if you want,
I'll
if you
do
want.
that. I'll do it today. I will post
Yeah.
it today even.
Phil looks like zoom out. Look at this one. Support, support, support. Here, Eddie.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, 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 boom. If we reclaim this easily, take profit one is here. 18% move. You can even make like a tight stop loss. Huh? What is this? ENS? It's on support right now. ENS as well. ENS Filecoin. Nah, that's it. I'll run. That's it. I don't want to go too low. Or maybe let's just see Galgadot. Oh. Yeah, nah, nothing. Gentlemen, it's been nice to have you today.
ENS and Phil, yeah.
Yeah, ENS and Phil. Bitcoin is very simple. Eddie, any questions? I wanna have a quick nap for a couple of hours.
You take your nap, fam. I'm good. Thank you for your time.
Let's get something.
Whittle, Stana, nothing.
I want to ask you something before.
Yeah.
It's about Bybit. I forgot what I was gonna ask you.
If I fall asleep and if you find out, just ask in the group in Traders Alpha.
Okay.
And tag like Indu. Or
Oh wait,
Whittleton.
I know.
Yeah,
Do I
go
need
on.
to do
Yeah,
any?
let us know because I will be online for the next few hours.
Yeah.
Even if I'm not active on the Discord, I'm in my house and I'm near my phone, so
Okay.
I'm
What's
online.
the question?
It's fine.
He's got the question.
Like, do I need to do any like driver's license or whatever for Bybit?
Yeah, unfortunately you do.
They do. They at first they didn't ask me, but after 2 weeks they did eventually ask me for KYC. That means that I need to verify myself with a license or a passport, an ID, something. So yeah, they ask it for eventually.
With all due respect, bro, you're not trading an account like that's millions of dollars. That's fine. Just KYC. It's fine.
Okay.
It's safe. Okay. Just KYC, and then when you have a bigger account, that's when we hide it offshore in GMX. Okay, with me. All right. In the meantime, just it's fine. Like, what's the ATO gonna do? Yeah, they're gonna take your 10 cents away. That's what they do. They charge you percents, but don't worry, just claim everything as a loss. All right.
Okay.
All right. KYC, bro, and yeah, study 1 to 7.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'll be on tomorrow, but I'm always around on Discord. Message me,
I
WhatsApp.
can message you anyway. Yeah.
Yeah. Get used to be friends with Whittleton. He's like a brother now. Okay. Don't be shy. I'm sure he's happy for you to approach him too.
Of course, throw all of your questions. Throw them at me. Throw them at anyone you want.
Anyone
As soon
you
as I
want,
have even a simple second to explain, I will. So
Thank you.
for sure.
But for admin, ask Vedi. I gave Vedi like all administrational roles because everyone's too busy chatting. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Take it easy, gentlemen.
Thank you for the like lesson.
No
before.
problem. That's just a catch up. You haven't even seen lesson yet. I'll drill you next week once you're done 1 to 7. Okay.
Okay.
Take it easy, gentlemen. Have a nice weekend. I'll be around.
Right.
See ya.
You too, fam. Thank you.